The food or drink I learned to prepare is masala chai, which is a traditional spiced tea from India. It's an incredibly popular and comforting beverage, made with black tea, milk, sugar, and a blend of aromatic spices. I learned to make this drink quite recently, about 3 years ago, just after I started living independently for university. Since I was moving away from home, I felt it was time to master some basic, homely skills. The learning process took place in my family's kitchen. My mother and grandmother are both excellent cooks, but the way my grandmother makes chai is legendary in our family. I learned it from my grandmother over a series of mornings. She made sure I understood that the quality of the chai depends entirely on the fresh spices. She taught me to use a small mortar and pestle to lightly crush fresh ginger, a few pods of green cardamom, and sometimes a tiny stick of cinnamon. This crushing must be done just before you start boiling the water to get the maximum fragrance. The process involves first boiling the water with these crushed spices and the tea leaves. You let it bubble for a minute or two to let the flavor infuse. Only then do you add the milk and the sweetener, bringing the whole mixture to a strong boil before straining it into a cup. The crucial part, which she stressed, was knowing exactly when to take it off the heat. Just as it's about to spill over, that's when it's perfectly done. I felt a real sense of warmth and connection while learning this. It wasn't just a recipe, it felt like I was being passed down a comforting tradition. I was previously quite reliant on instant coffee, so learning to prepare something so flavorful and natural gave me a huge sense of satisfaction and independence. It's a simple skill, but it's something I truly cherish.